Tax season means piles of client documents. TaxPro Genie changes that an AI-powered workspace that reads, classifies, and extracts your client's tax forms automatically. From scattered paperwork to tax-ready data, in minutes. Let's start in client management. Click Create Client to add a new client. Enter their personal details, spouse, and dependents if needed. Save it and they're ready to go. Back in Client Workspace, select our new client from the drop-down. Their details load instantly, ready for document upload. On the Documents tab, click Upload Document to add the client's tax forms like W-2s, 1099s, and more. Once uploaded, each file appears in the table, ready for classification. Select the documents, then click Send for classification. On the left, we preview each page of the document, whether it's a scanned image or a PDF. On the right, we classify it choosing the form type like W-2G and how it should be treated, such as income or irrelevant. Once done, click Save to save the classification. Back on the Classification tab, select the documents, then click Send for extraction. While extraction goes on behind the scenes, multiple AI agents work in parallel, reading each form, reasoning over its layout, and intelligently mapping every field to the right tax category. Once extraction is complete, select the extracted form and click Download Workpaper. Your tax-ready data ready to go. Let's take a look at what's inside. First, a fully bookmarked PDF, every form you uploaded, neatly organized and easy to navigate page by page. And alongside it, an Excel workpaper with every extracted value laid out in a clean, structured format. Income, deductions, credits, all mapped to the right fields, so you can review, verify, and drop it straight into your tax filing without missing a beat. Thanks for watching. If you're looking to transform the way your business operates, visit us at bt.analytix.com or email us at bt.ai@analytix.com. We'd love to explore what's possible for your business. And if you want more content like this, hit subscribe and stay ahead of the curve.